Busy day in the shop today. Just boxing up veneers. Here's a piece of walnut burl. Beautiful cluster figure with that. High contrast. Nice flat, flexible sheets. There's a piece of bobinga or waterfall bobinga or quilted bobinga. It's otherwise known as African rosewood. Beautiful carmine rose color with this one. Here's a piece of Carillion birch burl. Very nice underlying quilt pattern with that. Evenly spaced pips, that's what they're called. Here's a piece of fumed beeswinged eucalyptus. Almost looks metallic. Gorgeous. I have a video, or I have a customer made a fireplace surround out of this. I'll be posting that on Instagram here shortly. There's a piece of bird's eye maple. Nice bright white color with that. And here's a Queensland walnut with a nice broken block modeled figure to that. You can find all these veneers and more on my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, as seller on Amazon, Volpe Woodworks, and this YouTube channel, Volpe Woodworks. If you like the content of this video and find it useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It helps out more than you know. If you'd like some assistance in selecting a veneer for a project, please reach out to me by email. I'm happy to advise in selecting a veneer for an upcoming project. Thank you.